Okay.
Okay.
I think we're ready. Operation Tooth, here we come.
Let's dry it off first. Let's see your mouth.
No put. You're not gonna put.
Here, yeah. I'm not pulling it. I'm just trying it out.
He's just doing.
Okay, keep it open. Want me to pull it? Are you gonna do it? Okay.
Just I'll pull it for you very carefully.
Go hard. Go quick and hard.
Quick and fast.
No?
It hurts.
No, I won't dare do it.
Daddy will do it super quick and it'll be all done.
Yeah, he'll just do it like this. Promise he'll do it like.
Okay, I know what we should do. Should tie a piece of string onto your tooth.
That's what I said.
And then throw Daisy's toy and have her.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah, and then Daisy will run and try to get it, and then she'll bonk Sissy.
Should we do that, sis?
No, please. She'll get another tooth out.
She's going to her happy place or something.
On Sissy.
Want me to try?
Come.
If it hurts, then I won't do it, okay?
I know it's gonna hurt you.
Yeah, but the fun thing is it'll be all done. It will just hurt tiny probably.
Yeah.
But then, Daddy, do you need to maybe put a piece of ice right on there?
No. See my.
No.
I have some canker sore gel you could put on there to numb it.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay.
I want you to try to pull it out.
I want to try to pull it out. Why not?
Sis, if you get that tooth out, you won't be able to, like, say, cut it, please, Mom, cut it, Mom, cut it, please,
Yeah.
Mom, cut it, like that.
Sierra, let me try it out. Say, you let Daddy try it yesterday. I'm just going to do one try, and if you don't like it, if it doesn't work, then we have to do it, okay?
But I'll just, like,
Just like this.
I'll just touch it better.
Okay. I'm just getting it dry so I can put my finger on it.
Dad,
Yeah. What? Don't put your finger.
it even kind of hurts.
Okay.
It's like Sissy's
No, don't put it
sick.
on.
It's like Sissy's
Okay.
sick. Right, Dad?
Big eyes. Hold on, I didn't do anything yet. There it is. There's the tooth.
I heard it go. Oh, I closed my eyes. I couldn't even watch it. Where is it, Sissy? Let me see.
Yay!
Yay,
Here, take a drink of water.
Yay, take a drink of water.
There you go. Here, we'll get you some more.
That's okay. Good job.
What?
Where's the tooth? There it is.
Good job,
Good
Sissy.
job. Tough girl.
Thanks.
Daddy did it. Now, did that hurt? That didn't hurt that bad, did it? It's okay. It'll bleed a little bit. Just drink some water and it'll be all better.
Mom,
Just like getting mommy's whiskers. Oh, I'm sorry. Was that on?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Dad, you pulled it out for Sissy.
Here, drink some water.
Whoa.
Honey, it's okay. It's just from a
Drink
tooth.
some water.
Okay.
The sound was horrific.
Yeah.
Good job, Sissy. She's a big girl.
Guess what you get to put under your pillow tonight?
What will you get under your? Where's the bag? Your bag.
Mm-hmm.
And where did my tooth go? Where? Oh, there it is.
There you go. Stick it in there.
See, now you have officially 4 teeth gone now.
Mm-hmm.
Just like Reed.
Now try to eat your watermelon. Now you can finish your watermelon.
There you go. Put it in there.
3 teeth gone. Sis, can I touch it?
3. Don't you have 2? Let me see. Oh, that's right. 3.
Can I see in your thing again?
Let Reed see in your mouth when you finish drinking.
Yeah. There's only you know what? Mom, there's only a little spot of red.
Yep. It'll stop in just a few minutes.
Can't